It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with something really quick and necessary. I often get questions about what's the best wig that I can use that I don't have to customize. This is a wig that I did zero customization to, you guys. I did no customization at all. I didn't tint my lace. I didn't pluck. I didn't do anything. So let's just jump into the details. This wig is from African Mall. I've worn several of their wigs for this particular reason. If you want to customize it, take it to the next level, you can do that. If you just feel like overslaying, you can do that, honey. You can overslay. However, sometimes I don't want to do all that. This is one of the reasons why I wear African Mall wigs. They already come with a certain level of customization. This is a Brazilian straight 22-inch 150 density wig. The hair is really soft, it's tangle free. These are some of the things that you can almost expect from African Mall. I never have a problem with the quality of the hair and the construction, the cap. Another way you can do less customization is to use a banged wig. Okay, so I went all around my perimeter. Really, I could have just done the sides because the bang obviously covers up this whole front portion of the wig. That's another cheat you can do when you want to do as little customization as possible. Now, I want y'all to notice this. I did absolutely no plucking. So these edges, the perimeter of my hair, these edges look like I plucked them. They look plucked. They look pluckety plucked. I mean, it's seamless. And those side bangs, I didn't do anything. I did nothing. I put the freeze spray on. I plopped this baby on. I went through it a few passes with my flat iron, and that was it. I need y'all to know that. Very, very seamless. You know, and I encourage everybody to step their wig game up. I want to encourage you to just step your wig game up, no matter what level you on. If you on level 0, you just learning about wigs, step up to level 1. Try it. If you on the top level, go to the tippity top. And in the meantime, when you just don't feel like it and you like, I don't care what Mary Kay is talking about, I don't feel like doing it today. Sometimes I don't be caring what I'm talking about either. In that case, get you a wig that you have to do nothing to but plop on. It's so nice. It's so nice. I can pull it behind my ear because of how well the wig was pre-plucked. It just flows. You cannot do this with every brand wig. You cannot do this with every brand wig. said you can. For all of y'all who have said, Mary, I love the work that you do, but honey, I'ma just be honest. I'ma keep it real. I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to do all that all the time. I got you. I hear you, sis. I really do. I am thankful that I got to skip the madness for the day. Because it be taking long, especially plucking, y'all. Plucking is, oh my God. So it's nice to have a wig where you do not have to do that. If you have any other questions about this wig that I did not answer, drop it in the comments as usual. Just say, hey, I love reading y'all comments. Y'all are so dope. And a lot of times y'all comments are so dope that I end up using it as the comment of the day in my stories. So shout out if you've ever been comment of the day. Y'all keep it coming. I appreciate all the comments, but every once in a while I'll get one of those comments that's like, oh yeah, you bet I'm finna read this again, because I'm getting all kinds of energy from this comment. All kinds of it. Hence, comment of the day. African mall, Brazilian straight with bangs, 22 inches, 150% density. And there's a coupon code. If y'all trying to save some coins, I got the juice, okay? Save your coins. We work too hard. Come on now. We ain't trying to blow through the refund. We're not trying to do that. We're not trying to do that. Come on now. Come on. I got the juice. Check in the description box, all right?